It's our anniversary with our Cricut Maker.
Wherever we go, whatever we do.
We're partnering with Cricut and looking back at our year together and sharing all the reasons why we love our Cricut Maker and why we said, I do.
We're gonna go through it together. Da-da-da-da.
The Cricut Maker is an electronic cutting machine, but it can do so much more.
Traditionally, your 1-year anniversary is paper, but Cricut can cut over 100 different types of materials. Cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, fabric.
Felt, foil, canvas, even wood. All right, real talk. I know I told you it was a cutting machine, but it can actually write. And it has an adaptive tool set, which means you can easily swap out the tools and do even more. You can emboss, you can score, and one of my favorite features is the engraving tool.
Okay, my real talk. I was a little nervous when we first got the Cricut, but the best thing about it is it literally holds your hand through the process. So you really cannot mess up. It will tell you if you have the wrong tool. It will tell you if you have the wrong material loaded. It makes sure that everything is set before going. It's literally cruise control for crafting. I think I've fallen in love with the robot.
I love it too.
All right, let's talk design space.
Cricut comes with easy-to-use design space software. They have pre-made artwork, fonts, images. They even have pre-made Cricut projects.
Yeah, it really is as simple or as complex as you want it to be. And if you've ever used old school clip art, you got this.
Yeah, you got this. And you don't even need a computer.
Nope.
You can do it right from your smartphone or your tablet. Or if you want to take it to the next level, you can create and design your own images.
Free advertising.
Peace out. I'm getting a Dole Whip. But seriously, the Cricut Maker has been a game changer for us this year, especially during our busy times like the holidays.
Yeah, and it's really taken our projects to the next level, doing all that tedious work for us and really just giving our projects a more clean and professional look.
Yes, it's been the extra hands that we needed because Teddy, although cute and a great crafty assistant, he only has paws. Wait, what?
What? What's that, Cricut?
What'd you say?
Huh?
Oh, and on paper, you remembered.
Oh.
Bye.